Hi, I'm Faster EFT practitioner Kim Brown. Glad you could join me today. When my college roommate had children, anytime anyone would ask her, "Is he sleeping through the night yet? Is he potty trained yet?" she would always answer with, "If he's not sleeping through the night by the time he gets married, let his wife worry about it. If he's not potty trained by the time he gets married, let his wife worry about it." As a general rule, these things usually happen, don't they? Children learn to self-soothe and fall asleep again. They learn to notice their body signals and respond to them. If you want things to change in your life, if you're ready to be free of the problems that plague you, consume you, limit you, steal the very best from you, if you have tried everything under the sun to fix your problems and still very little has changed, if you are thoroughly sick of your problem and desperate for an answer, consider that the question, "How long will it take for tapping to heal or fix my problem?" may not be the question that best serves you. We'll talk about more beneficial questions next time, but first and foremost, let's establish that tapping does not heal, cure, or fix any physical, emotional, or mental problem. It doesn't do it, not at all. Tapping addresses your mind because the mind is where all problems begin and end. Tapping helps you to discover the meanings that you have given your problem, your perceptions of your problems. It helps you to discover the unconscious resources that continue to recreate this problem in your life over and over and over. Tapping helps you to release and let go of these unhealthy resource connections and to create and establish new, positive, healthy resource connections. Your brain is designed with this ability, and it will follow your direction. How long it takes is as individual as the events and experiences of your life that have led to and established this as being a problem in your life, as well as how you uniquely experience this as a problem. If after one session you're problem-free, great. If it takes multiple sessions, great. Because what really improves the quality of your life is you establishing the habit of tapping, of noticing the signals that your brain and body send you, noticing your thoughts, keeping the ones you want to keep, and releasing and letting go of the ones you no longer want. It helps you to create and establish what you do want. And as you practice this, you'll begin to discover that the most amazing experience you've ever had is the experience of changing your mind. Consider giving yourself permission to do so. You really are worth it. Thanks for watching this video, and remember, no matter what you've experienced in the past, today is a new day. See you next time.